So I'm here with Aber Town assistant manager Wyn Thomas. Very disappointing result today.
Yeah, very disappointing result. We've got a squad in there that can win games, score lots of goals, but we concede too many. We've gifted goals again today, which is massively disappointing for us. We started the game very well, but then they score 2 goals, which kills us a bit. But then we come out second half, we change the shape, and then we create chances again. But to start off, we can't concede goals like we're doing. Individual errors are costing us week in, week out, which is disappointing. So we need to cancel them out, and then take our chances when we've got them. The boys done well. They worked hard. The performance was better. It was just the result that was disappointing in the end.
Well, a positive from today's game was Jonathan Edwards' debut. He could have had a hat-trick if it was another day. Yeah,
the boy's been here before. We know what he's about. He played very well today. Today we were good going forward. Like I said, defensively, just errors that cost us. But going forward, we haven't got no issues here at Aber Smith. We score plenty of goals, but we concede too many. But we've got a big game against Newtown next week, and hopefully we can win it.
So the chances of top 6 still remain. Is it a chance for revenge against Newtown from last season?
Yeah, it's about winning games. You play football to win games, simple as that. You don't win this week, you win the next week. We've got the boys to go out there to win games. That's why you're here. But massively disappointed today. But Port Talbot, to be fair to them, they played very well. And it was tough because they took their chances, we didn't. But then we conceded sloppy goals.
We're looking at last season and comparing it to this season. It's obvious that home form needs addressing. There's a lot that needs addressing. But going forward, we got abundance. Venas, we got Griff up top, Jeff Kellaway, lightning. But we're missing Luke Sherburn in midfield. He's strong for us in there. He's a very, very good player. Something to build on. We're always hoping to get better. Can't stand still, and move on to next week, because Newtown, that'll be a tough ask. They're a very good team, good players, and hopefully we can turn up. The attitudes are spot on. It's just doing their own jobs, concentrating for 90 minutes, and stop conceding sloppy goals and scoring them the other end. So is that going to be a message in training? Concentration?
There's enough experience in there. They know what to do. It's just little mistakes creeping in, and that's got to change. That's got to change straight away.